Hello everyone. In our previous video, we have discussed about Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm basics. In this video, we will discuss the example of Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm. So, as per the previous video discussion, we have discussed how the XY plane coordinate system has divided into 9 regions, and we already discussed about how to assign 9-bit code to each region. Now, using this region code of XY coordinate, we will solve simple example of Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm. So, in this case, we need to identify some line segments. They are AB, PQ, XY and MN. And we need to observe how the line segments are visible in the XY coordinate. Okay. In this XY coordinate, this is called as what? Clipping window, right? So, the line segment AB is completely visible inside the clipping window. The line MN is completely outside the clipping window. The line PQ is partially inside the clipping window. The line segment XY is also partially inside the clipping window. So now, how the Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm is used for clipping the line if the portion of the line is outside the clipping window. We'll discuss now with an example. Okay, so we will see the line segment AB. See, in this case, line segment AB. So we'll first consider case 1. In the case 1, we'll write about the line segment AB. Okay. The line segment AB, the point A and the point B is completely inside the clipping window, right? Now, we will write the region code or 4-bit binary code of A. Binary code of A is what? 00. That is, A end point of line segment AB is what? 00. The line region code for A endpoint is what? 00. And the region code for B endpoint is also 00. Right? As per the Cohen-Sutherland line algorithm, for these two endpoint of region code, we will apply an AND operation. We'll apply an AND operation. If you apply AND operation, the result will become like this. Okay, the bit code of A end point is what? 0 is 0, and the bit code of B point is what? 0, and after an AND operation also the bit code will be what? 0. If all these 3 0, this means that this complete line segment is completely inside the clipping window. Okay, so this line segment AB is accepted because it is inside the clipping window. So in this case, no need of clipping. So in the case 1, what we have discussed about line segment AB, this is the line segment AB. The bit code of A point is what? 00. The bit code of B is what? 00. So these two bit code, what we have done, we applied an AND operation. After AND operation, the result will be 0, and the A region code is also 0, B region code is also. If all these 3 0, this means that this line AB is accepted because it is completely resides inside clipping window. In that case, we don't want to do a clipping procedure. So this is the case 1. So now we'll go for case 2. Okay. In the case 2, we will take the line segment MN. We'll take the line segment MN. Okay. So you please check it out. The end point M, the region code. So M region code is 010. We'll write it this. Okay. The end point N region code will be endpoint n region code will be 0, 1, 0, 0. So after this, as per the algorithm, we'll apply an AND operation. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this result become what? 0, and this will be what? Non-zero. Sorry, this will be AND operation, this will be what? 1. And so this will be non-zero, non-zero. So in this case, what is happening? All these three are non-zero. If all these three are non-zero, this means that the line segment MN is completely outside the clipping window. So if it is completely outside the clipping window, then the line segment MN is rejected or neglected. That means here, if it is rejected, we don't want to do it a clipping. No need of clipping in this case also. So we'll recall again the case 2. We have written about the line segment MN. You can observe in this coordinate system line segment MN. So the bit code or region code of M we have written, region code of N we have written here. After that we performed what? AND operation as per the algorithm. After AND operation, all these three are what? Non-zero. If this is non-zero, that means the line segment MN is completely outside the clipping window. You can easily observe this MN line is what? Completely outside the clipping window, right? So in this case, this line has to be what? Reject or neglect. So if it is neglected, then we don't want to do it a line clipping here. So in the first case, what is happening? You can easily observe after the AND operation, the result is 0 and the two values of region code of AB is also 0. In this, all these three 0, line is accepted. In the case 2, M endpoint is non-zero, N endpoint is non-zero, and the result AND operation result is also non-zero. If all this is non-zero, that means the line is completely outside the clipping window and that line will be rejected. In the case 1 and the case 2, in the case 1 line is accepted, no need of clipping. In the case 2, the line is rejected, no need of clipping. Now we'll move to the case 3. In the case 3, we will plan about the line segment PQ. Okay, so in this line segment PQ, we'll write the region code of P. The region code of P is what? 0001, and the region code of Q will be what? 000. So now after this, we'll apply AND operation. Okay, after the AND operation, this result will be non-zero. This will be non-zero. Sorry, this will be 0 and this result will be 0. But the P region code will be non-zero. What is happening here? Your AND operation result is 0. That means you can accept this line but partially, because the region code of P is what? Non-zero. In that case, we need to think about a clipping here by having an intersection. Okay, so we'll do it now with this example. Okay, so in this PQ segment, we'll find the intersection point. On this clipping window, and we'll name this as P dash. So we will repeat this procedure for forming an AND operation for an endpoint one by one now. We'll go for P dash and Q, the line segment P dash and Q. The P dash region code, because it is lies on the clipping window, the P dash region code will be 00 only. P dash will be what? 000, and Q will be what? 0000, and perform an AND operation. So what will be the result? 0. This will be 0, 0, 0. So when all these three 0, as per we discussed in the case 1, this means that the line segment P dash Q is completely inside the clipping window and it is as what? Accepted. It is what? Accepted, right? So P dash and Q line segment is partially accepted from PQ. Okay, now we'll repeat this procedure for P dash and P. P dash and P. Okay, so what is the region code of P dash? Region code of P dash is what? 0, 0, 0. P dash is what? 0, 0, 0. And region code of P is what? P dash, P is what? 0, 0, 1. You apply AND operation here. Okay, after the AND operation, your result will be what? 0, but this will be what? Non-zero. This will be what? 0. This indicates that your AND operation is showing 0. That means what? You need to perform here what? Clipping. Because among P dash and P, one of the values is what? Non-zero, right? In that case, we need to perform what? Clipping. So, P dash P is to be what? Clip here. Is to be clipped. Because what is happening here? Among three values, your AND operation is 0. If it is AND operation is 0, then only we need to perform clipping. Only when your one of these two value will be non-zero. So P dash P is to be clipped. So in the line PQ, P dash and Q is accepted after finding the intersection. P dash and P has to be clipped. Okay, this is in the case 3. Okay, now we'll go for case 4. We'll go for case 4. So in the case 4, we'll work on the line segment XY. We'll work on the line segment XY. So we'll find the region code of X. Region code of X is what? 1, 0, 0. And region code of Y will be what? 0, 0, 1, 0. You apply AND operation here. 0, 0, 0, 0. So what is your result here? 0. But this will be what? Non-zero. This will be what? Non-zero. When is your AND operation will be 0? So you need to perform here clipping here. As per the algorithm. But in this case, X region code and Y region code are what? Non-zero. So we need to find what? Intersection for performing and clipping here. So for the line segment XY, we will find the intersection. This will be called as X dash. And this is the intersection on this. This will be called as what? Y dash. Now we'll repeat this procedure to which part of the line segment XY is accepted and which part of the line segment is clipped here. We'll do one by one. We'll go for X dash and Y dash. The line segment X dash and Y dash. X dash and Y dash line segment. So what is the X dash region code? It is lies on a clipping window. X dash region code will be what? 0, 0. Y dash is also lying on the clipping window. So region code of Y dash will be what? 0, 0. So we'll write this. X dash region code is 0, 0. Y dash region code is 0, 0. You apply AND operation here. So AND operation result will be 0. So all three are 0. If all three are 0, right, in this case, as per the algorithm, the line segment X dash and Y dash is what? Accepted because it is completely inside the clipping window, right? X dash and Y dash is accepted. Now after this, we'll go for X and X dash. Next step, we'll go for Y dash and Y. Now we'll discuss X and X dash. Okay, line segment X and X dash will take, okay? X and X dash. In this, X is present in the region code. X is present in the region code 1, 0, 0 and X dash is present in the region code 0, 0, 0. So this region code will write it now. X region code and X dash region code. So X region code will be what? 1, 0, 0. X dash region code will be what? 0, 0, 0. So we'll apply AND operation for this. Okay. So AND operation result will be what? 0. But this will be 0 and this is what? Non-zero. You please observe your AND operation. If the AND operation result is 0, right, and any one of these values are non-zero, so we need to perform here what? Clipping. We need to perform what? Clipping. right? So the line segment x and x dash has to be what? It has to be what? Clipped here as per the algorithm. So we completed x dash, y dash, x and x dash. Now we'll work on y dash and y. Please observe the region code of y dash. Y dash is present on the clipping window. So y dash region code will be 00 and y region code will be 0010. Those region code we will write it now for the line segment y dash and y. Y dash and y. So y dash region code will be what? 00 and y region code will be what? 0010 as per the region code. We'll apply AND operation for this 0000. What's your result here? 0. One of this value will be non-zero and this is 0. So please again note here AND operation is 0. AND operation is 0. This means that the line has to be clipped. This means that what? The line has to be clipped. Why? Because in this case, among these two values, one value is non-zero. If all this 0, we need to accept that line will be inside the clipping window. But in this case, what is happening? AND operation is 0, but one of these two values will be non-zero. So in that case, we need to perform what? Clipping. So y dash and y, the line has to be what? Clip here. So in the case 4, xy, the line segment xy, what we have done, we find intersection x dash and y dash. And after finding this, we have performed AND operation on every region code. So we have performed AND operation for the x and x dash and x dash and y dash, and finally we have applied AND operation on y dash and y. After applying AND operation, we have decided as per the algorithm whether portion of the line is accepted and portion of the line is rejected. The rejected means what? The portion of the line is clipped. So as per this algorithm, after performing all these 4 cases, finally we got our example will be like this. Okay, so the line is AB is completely visible inside the clipping window. So there is no need of here. We have not done any clipping here. Then we'll go for the line segment PQ. So part of the line segment P and P dash, right, we have clipped, and the remaining the line segment P dash and Q is accepted because it is lies inside the clipping window. Then we'll go for the line segment XY. So after the finding of intersection and finding the AND operation, we have accepted the line segment x dash and y dash by clipping x and x dash, y dash and y dash. So our line segment become like this. And the line segment the last one, the line segment M man was completely outside the clipping window, that is rejected. Okay, after rejection, our line segment inside the region code of XY plane become like this. So till now we have discussed how the example of Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm will work. Thank you.